This video will cover the EPC-01 pincer test. Here is a test example. We must have the following prepared: the EPC-01, the Cal-01, the X3 cable, the SKS-01 force gauge, and of course, the pincer itself. Take a look at how we connect these together. First, attach the pneumatic cable and then electrical connection from the pincer to EPC-01. Next, we connect the SKS-01 force gauge to the Cal-01. Plug the X5 port connection into the Cal-01. Next, we have to connect the X3 cable to the Cal-01 port labeled X3. To start the pincer test, please navigate to the APN menu. Select an APN if needed. Then select the pincer test symbol. Now you can start. Authorization can be done through the Cal-01 by pressing on the NOM button. Then press 2 to go up to pincer test request. Then press OK to confirm. You will see on the left screen, it now displays the friction test step. Simply close on nothing. After successfully completing the friction test, the EPC-01 will automatically proceed to the force test. Now you will need the SKS-01 force gauge. Simply insert the sensor between the jaws. Proceed to perform 3 closures on the sensor. After you complete the 3 closures, you can send over the average results in newtons via the transmit button on the Cal-01. The EPC-01 will display the actual force below the target force. To test whether everything was successful, please press delete on the Cal-01. Now you can perform another 3 closures on the closing force sensor to see whether the value is within tolerance. Press transmit and confirm the actual force by selecting the check mark on the EPC-01 display. Next, using the 2 mm gap gauge, close on it twice. First closure is at low force, second is at high force. Next, using the 4 mm gap gauge, close on it twice. First closure is at low force, second is at high force. The pincer test is now complete, and the EPC-01 will automatically go back to the current APN screen. The EPC-01 is ready to run production.